Guys, today we are going to be playing restore back to the main menu. Settings, save game. Bombardino Crocodile. Here, no. Hey guys, today we are playing. Wait, what was it called? Hey guys, today we are going to be playing The Great Sneeze. Okay, so let's start. Art Museum, Canvas City, 1:24 p.m. Just a few hours left until the grand opening of the Caspar David Friedrich exhibition. Okay, it's so laggy. That's something. Okay, so we have to hurry up a bit. The guests will be arriving in just a few hours. David Friedrich, would you help me fetch some brochures from the archive? Otherwise, I will have to go twice. We would help you, Mr. Dietz, but we are still busy with the label for The Wanderer Above the Sea of Fog. It is one of Caspar David Friedrich's most famous paintings. So this label has to be installed with particular care. And you, Caspar, are you on your phone again? Sorry, it's important right now. Okay, then I will go and fetch the brochures from the archive myself. If only the light wasn't broken down there. Where did I leave my flashlight? It is probably downstairs again. Really, Caspar? I got a certification job at the museum and you're always on your phone. Sorry, is there anything else to do? We should set up the lighting and put the orange juice in the fridge. And we need to erase our scribbles from the guest book. Then I'll start with that. Where's the razor? I'll get down here. Don't worry about me. I'll be back in a minute. Do you know what I've been wondering all this time? Don't you think it's strange how we are named Caspar, David, and Friedrich? And how we help in a Caspar David Friedrich exhibition? Oh wow, I didn't notice that. Me neither. What a coincidence. Here I am again. Now let's quickly lay out the brochures and... What just happened? Oh. Wow, I'd call that a great sneeze. It looks like the exhibition is completely devastated. Are you okay? Am I okay? Haven't you taken a look around? Everything is mixed up. All our work over the last few weeks for nothing, and the guests will be here soon. Look! Even the Wanderer has vanished from his painting. Mr. Dietz must have blown him away with his enormous sneeze. His Wanderer's gone. I'm getting dizzy. Okay, black screen. Okay. Mr. Dietz has fainted from the shock. Apart from the scare, he seems to be fine. He should lie down for a while to recover. And what are we doing in the meantime? Easy. We find the Wanderer and save the exhibition. But where are we supposed to start with that? Let's take a look at the painting. The famous Wanderer Above the Sea of Fog. Only without the Wanderer. What's that down there? It looks like a letter. Open it. I have been standing here for countless years, high above the gorges, where the sea of fog covers the landscape like a thick blanket. But what kind of wanderer wants to always tread the same ground? The real adventure happens along the journey after all. Shaken away by a tremor that broke my picture frame, I'm now driven by a fresh thirst for action. With the tremor, he must mean died. What? Tremendous sneeze. And thus I want to go wandering again as I once did before I reached the cliff at the Sea of Fog. So the wanderer is on a new journey. The first stop on my journey will be a beach. There I will walk in the moonlight and throw stones into the surf. A beach? Where's that supposed to be? I'm sure we'll find out soon enough. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so, look what is hanging from Daijik's pocket. A key! Are you not taking this like this? This is our only chance to save the exhibition. I will pocket it for us. Okay, so we put the key in the door. It worked! The door is open! And we're in. Okay, so let's go into the mountains. We should also fix. I wasn't focusing on this. We should also fix the other paintings while we are looking for the wanderer. Okay, so let's go. The Watchman. The Watchman is the name of this painting, but what is a Watchman? A man that is watching, of course. Come on, you two. The Watchman is a mountain in the Alps. Bro, that's not how we write Alps. Bro. That can be C here. Or is it? Or that should be C here. That's not the Watchman at all. Let's fix it quickly. Bro, it's really hard. Maybe I put this, maybe. Yeah, no, it does not fit out. Where'd that tree again? Dun 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 dun. Come on. No, it's not this. It's gotta be this one. Like, come on, this is so hard. Oh, this. And now we just need that. There's the Watchman. Oh, and what's that? A green key. A green key will surely open a green lock. Okay, there is the green door. But first, let's see this. The beach. This painting is just brown. It's called a sepia. Friedrich used only a fountain pen and the brownish color here. This allowed him to concentrate on the shapes and brightness when painting. Oh no! What's going on? The beach is filled with trash. We should clean it up. Okay, so what do? Oh, I just pressed on that's easy. Speedrun. All clean again. That was a letter from the wanderer. Garbage, as the far I can see. My stay on the beach was a big disappointment, and so the journey quickly continues for me. I feel drawn towards green, hilly landscapes that stretch to the horizon. They will be my next destination. What? We removed all garbage, so he could have stayed here. What does he mean with green, hilly landscapes? Okay, let's see. Now let's go to the green. Bro, come on. Bro, why can't I pick up the key? Okay. It worked. Oh. still tidier than your mom, Friedreich. Hey! Megalithic tomb in snow? Now what's that supposed to be? They are tombs made from large stones. Most of them really date back to the Stone Age. I can hardly recognize it in the painting. We should try fixing it first. Okay, this looks like it's right here maybe, or yeah, it's like maybe in the middle. I don't know, maybe here, no. Yeah, maybe, or maybe not. Yeah, I think that's fair like that. I don't know, bro. This is hard. This is very, very hard. One hard fish. Oh. Yo. Guys, comment down below. Do you think this is hard for you? Like, for me, it's really hard. It's kind of like I'm, like, in the ads. Finished. That was quick. Like, mobile ads, because, like, they take, like, they're so bad at it. So that is what the tomb looks like. Okay. What is this? The solitary tree. The painting is called solitary tree, but there is no solitary tree to be seen here. It looks like Mr. Dietzig sneezed the motive out of the picture. Maybe we can find something to complete it. Okay. The monk under the sea, by the sea. The monk by the sea. This is the world's famous monk by the sea. He looks pretty restless. Something seems to have upset him. Maybe Dietzig sneezed. Perhaps we can help him clear his thoughts. Okay, what? It's hard. Already, bro? Come on, we just started. Kadam film shady sound the real city because awesome shady just to make the real shady. He seems to be feeling better again. We're finished here for now. Okay. Oh, there's more. Oh, look at that. That's a conservation workshop up ahead. Maybe there we can find something to repair the Wanderer's frame. Oh. Are you also feeling this hot? It must be the air conditioning up there. But a UFO, cool. No way, Friedrich painted something like that. Wait, what? Extraterrestrials are attacking the painting. We have to fend them off. Don't worry, I have played games like this over 100 times. Not a stream, man. I've played the games like this 100 times. Oh, there's lights? I thought there was like one like so now I have to play like not like. Okay, I have more ways so I need to focus. Why is bro getting so close? Okay, good. I almost lost. I told you no problem at all. What's that? The remote for the air conditioning. We should keep that for later. Another letter from the Wanderer. What do we write this time? My trip into this green, hilly landscape was short-lived as well. The arrival of extraterrestrials seemed threatening to me, so I decided to keep traveling. In my search for adventure, I make my way to an old friend. He shares my former fate and has been looking over the open sea for centuries. It sounds like we need to find the painting with his friend. Okay. Wait, what is this from? The door to the conservation workshop is closed. It says warning, temperature not within the specified range, the door will remain locked. Okay, what is this? Bro, could I just skip it, please? Ah, a ghost! Help! Relax, I know how we can get rid of it. We need to banish it with a flashlight. Didn't Mr. Dydzik have one with him in the archive? So let's get the remote. Let's try. What am I supposed to set it to? Sign on the door says 20 degrees. Alright, 20 degrees it is. Hope we don't catch a cold. Okay, 20 degrees. Oh, come on. It worked. So this is a conservation workshop. Finally, we are allowed to take a look in here. Are we? There is some glue. We can use it to fix the frame of the Wanderer. It must be real expensive if they put such a complicated lock on it. I can't believe it. Magnifying glass for infrared reflectography. Okay, but what can this magnifier be used for? When we look at the picture with it, we can see what is hidden beneath the upper layers of paint. Let's start with seashore in moonlight right here. Okay, 4. So I think boat. There's a boat like on the sticker. So maybe why would they lock the glue away like this? What kind of symbols are those? A mountain, a boat, and a tree? I think I have seen those symbols in the exhibition. So yeah, then we should take a closer look at the picture there. So this has got to be 4. It's telling me to go up, so maybe I'm gonna try to guess it. Like, no way I'm gonna guess it. Actually, no. Imagine I guess it. Yeah, they're like 300. Like 99 combinations. Different combinations. Okay. Nothing here, so let's go back. 2 for mountains. 2 for mountain. And for tree. Wait, I can't see it. Well, I think we need to fix it first. I have no idea. Wait, what is this? Born in 1774, then today Friday would be over 250 years old. Wow. Okay, let's go back. He needs to recover from the shock. What was dreaming about? Maybe he is traveling through his own dreamscape. For the forgetful, the passcode. That's the door to the archive. Bro, I can't hear. The note said that the code is Friedrich's year of birth. I'm sure we can find it somewhere in the exhibition. Okay, so what was it? 1774, I think. Yes! It worked! Okay, finally. I can't see a thing. Fortunately, Mr. Dydzik has forgotten his flashlight down here again. Much better. Now let's see what is hiding in these lockers. So many self-portraits, all by Friedrich. These were selfies from back then. Especially when he was still unknown, he often drew himself to find out who he is and what defines him. That's him. As an added benefit, he did not have to ask anyone to model for him. Oh, the tree. The sketch of a tree. Wasn't there something in the exhibition that was missing a tree? Yes, we should use it there. Okay, now there's brochures. Lots of brochures. Just bits and bobs. Just bits. Just bobs. just bits and bobs. That's funny. Okay, now let's go over there into over here and do this. Take this, put it right. Bro, come on, go. Oh my gosh. Oh, you can't do it except you have to get closer. Okay, it fits. Did you know that Friedrich often made pencil sketches on his hikes? Later in the studio, he occasionally used them as references for elements in his paintings, sometimes even multiple in one. So most of his landscapes don't exist exactly like that. No, but he has encountered many of the individual elements on his travels. Okay, now I can finally see it. So 8 for a tree. 8 for a tree. Wait, what? A letter. Monk by the sea. Huh? Another letter from the wanderer. After centuries of solitude, my friend the monk, he was all shaken up and couldn't utter a single word. I will continue my journey immediately so that he can quickly regain his senses. The next stop will be my last attempt to gather new impressions. I'll be heading into a gloomy forest where gnarled oaks grow around crumbling brickwork. Okay. So tree 8, and mountain 2. Tree 8 and mountain 1. 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 Mount 1? No, 2. I'm so smart. Wait, what was it? 8, I think? Yeah, 8. Yay, happy. The code was correct. Then we can finally repair the frame of the wanderer. Finally. Let me just finish this. Abby in the Oakwood. We need to scare the ghost away with a flashlight. This haunting will be over soon. So many are gonna spawn, but now so many at the same time.
There? What's my bed? بدك تعملي ماي باد؟ عمر عمل هيك؟ تفرج على التليفون؟ ايه وانت ماي باد ليك شو عم تعمل فيه؟
My stay at the Abbey was certainly impressive, though it was soon disrupted by ghostly phantasms. I managed to escape them, but it took me several hours wandering to look for it. So I have grown tired of unpleasant surprises and want to return to Sea of Fog now. If only it weren't for the broken picture frame that prevents me from returning. I just wish someone would fix it for me. Okay, let's go fix it for him so he'll be happy like a wanderer. And he'd be really happy if you'd like and subscribe. He'd be really happy. He'd just like and subscribe and share. He'd be like the happiest man on the Sea of Fog. And the only man. But come on, why is the glue not putting? Oh, let's try it. Don't use this much. It worked. Wait, how do? Oh. Okay, he's back. There he is. The wanderer has returned. The exhibition is safe. Quick, wake up, died Zik. How did they fix the Casper David Friedrich singing? Casper David Friedrich. You won't believe the dream I had. I slept so terribly that the whole exhibition got mixed up. Not only that, the Wanderer had disappeared from his painting, but there he is. Lucky it was just a dream. Oh, just look at the time. The first guests are about to arrive. Pour the orange juice. We want to celebrate the opening in style. Art Museum, Canvas City, 7:28 p.m. Wow, that's been a lot of time. In like 10 minutes time. The grand opening of the Casper David Friedrich exhibition. Welcome everyone. After exhausting weeks of preparation and some last-minute repairs, I'm delighted to open the Casper David Friedrich exhibition here in Canvas City together with you. I'd like to thank Casper David and Friedrich in particular for helping us during their school vacations. When you have finished looking at the picture, please follow me to the next showroom. And what will you do when vacations are over? And what? I think I will have to recover from our adventure here. Phew, same for me. Did one of you remember to erase our scribbles from the guest book? Thank you very much for your attention during the tour so far, which I would now like to end with a real highlight of the exhibition. I present to you here in Canvas City what is likely to be Friedrich's most famous work, The Wanderer Above the Sea of Fog. Although not typical of Friedrich's visual language, the painting is now recorded at the very essence of Romanticism, an era which his feeling was to take precedence over reason. Please excuse me for a moment. And it's done. Guys, please like and subscribe. Like, not forcing, but like this was really hard, and I took like half my day to film this because I had to edit. Please like and subscribe. Bye.